Are you also running a software as a service business and want to automate your customer support? Then this video is definitely for you, because in this video I'm going to show you an amazing automation or an amazing WhatsApp chatbot which is going to automate your customer support within the WhatsApp. So by using this WhatsApp chatbot, your users can get the answer of all their queries and can resolve their issues within the WhatsApp, and they can even contact your team as well. So now let me show you how this is going to work in real time. So for that, let's move on towards my WhatsApp, where I'm going to act as a user, and here I'm going to send a message to my business number which is saved here as test number. So here I'm going to enter this message, that is hello, and this message is going to initiate my WhatsApp chatbot. So as I have entered this message, I'm getting this welcome message which says, hello, welcome to Cloudflare CRM. And this message is asking me to enter my name. So here I'm going to enter my name as demo user. So I'm going to just type it. So here I have provided my name, and as I have provided my full name, I'm getting this message which says, thank you demo user, what can we help you with today? And right here I'm getting the same name which I have just entered. So by using this WhatsApp chatbot, you can send personalized messages to your customers. Now let's open this list and check out the services. So here I'm getting some of the options such as for the login issues, setup support and integration help. So here I will be selecting this first option for the login issues, and as I have selected it, I'm getting this message which says choose how would you like to proceed, and here we are getting two buttons, that is get instant help and connect support. So right here I will be selecting this button, that is get instant help, and as I have selected it, I'm getting a message which says type your issue below. So here I'm going to enter this issue, that is I'm unable to log in my account. Now let's wait for the response. And right here you can see that I'm getting this message which is providing me all these steps which I can follow to log in my account. And now let's enter another question to check whether we get the response or not. So here I'm going to enter this question based on the response which I'm getting, that is for this fourth point, that is clear your browser cache and cookies. Now let me provide this question and see whether we get the answer of this question or not. And right here you can see that I'm getting all the steps for clearing the cache and cookies. So now here you can see that I'm getting the answer of my all questions. And here I'm getting all these responses because I have assigned AI assistant to this particular button, that is get instant help, which is resolving all my queries. And here it is doing so because I have provided it the knowledge base. So knowledge base is basically a document which we provide to our AI assistant, and based on this knowledge base, the AI assistant resolve the queries of customers. So this basically acts as the brain for your AI assistant. So right here you can see that I have started this knowledge base with the business overview, which will let my AI understand what my business about is and who my target audience is. And right here you can check out that I have entered the login and account access issues and the troubleshooting steps too, and rest of the common problems and solutions. So here you can see that this amazing WhatsApp chatbot is helping my customer to resolve their queries within the WhatsApp. And now afterwards, here we are getting this button, that is connect support. So now let's select it and see what we get in the response. So as I have selected this button, that is connect support, I'm getting this message which says our support team is ready to assist you, and here we are getting the support number by using which we can contact this particular business. So you can see that how amazing this WhatsApp chatbot is. So now you can also automate the queries of your customers within the WhatsApp by using this WhatsApp chatbot. So now let me show you how you can create it by using one and only automation tool, that is Pabbly Chatflow. And for that, you have to move towards the flow page of Pabbly Chatflow with me. So right here I'm on the flow page of Pabbly Chatflow, which you can get by typing its URL, that is going to be the pabbly.com/chatflow. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging account over the Pabbly Chatflow first time, then you can just click over the sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Chatflow. Means you are getting a chance for testing and creating this WhatsApp chatbot for freely inside Pabbly Chatflow. But if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over this sign in. And if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen, you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards the Flow page, where don't forget to add your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow account. And if you want to learn this entire process, then you can check the video given on the description. And right on this Flow page, we are getting these messages and actions block, which you can think as main building block for creating this WhatsApp chatbot flow. So you can drag any of these blocks and create the flow for your WhatsApp chatbot. And now here we are getting this option for trigger. So trigger is the event which initiates your WhatsApp chatbot. And this trigger event can be keyword or the regex entered by your users, or if your user starts a conversation, or many more. But here I'm going to keep it as keyword regex match. Now you might be thinking, what is this keyword and regex? So keywords are the words which initiate your WhatsApp chatbot. And as we have recently interacted with our WhatsApp chatbot, we have initiated it by entering this message, that is hello. So this is the keyword which has just initiated our WhatsApp chatbot. So here I'm going to enter this keyword, and afterwards we are getting this option for regex, which is used for the advanced user input. Now if a user sends me a message, I'm going to firstly provide them a message asking for their name. So for that, I'm going to move towards the actions, where you will see this node, that is ask question. So here I'm going to select it. Now let's enter a question asking for the full name of my user. So here I have entered this question asking for the full name. Now let's select the contact custom field. So here I'm going to select my contact custom field as full name and the format as any. So now you might be thinking, what is this contact custom field? So you can think of contact custom field as a particular column which consists of the particular data. So right here, this contact custom field full name will consist of the full name provided by my user. So now for creating this contact custom field, you just have to move over the settings, where you will see this option of contact custom fields, and you will be getting this page where you can create your own contact custom field by simply selecting this add more field button. And right now I'm done with this question. Now if my user provides me answer of this question, I'm going to provide them list of the issues for which they want the support. So for that, we just have to drag and drop, and right here we are getting all these message blocks. So here I will be selecting the list, and now in this list node, I'm going to create the list of the issues faced by user. So here I'm going to firstly provide the body to my list. So here I have provided this body to my list, and this body consists of a variable named as full name, which signifies the contact custom field which I have just selected for this question. So by using the $sign before this contact custom field, you can send personalized messages to your customers. And now here I'm going to add a section by simply selecting this add section, and here I'm going to enter my section title as issues. So I'm going to just type it, and afterwards in this section I'm going to add some items by simply selecting this add items. Now let's provide the title of our first list item. So right here you can see that I have created the first item of my list, or the first issue, that is login issues. Now likewise, I'm going to add some more issues to this list. So here I have provided 2 more items to my list, that is setup support and integration help. Now if my user selects any of these list items, for getting the response which my user has selected, again I'm going to provide contact custom field to all these list items. And for doing so, let's move on towards the actions and select this node, that is set custom field. And from here, I'm going to select my contact custom field as issues. So now let me search for it, and right here I'm getting this contact custom field, that is issue type, which I'm going to select. And now it is asking me to enter the value. So here you have to enter the value for which you are creating this contact custom field. So here I have entered it. Now let's provide contact custom field to all these list items. So here I have provided contact custom field to all these list items. Now if my user selects any of these list items, I'm going to provide them a message in this text button node, So right here you can see that I'm getting this text button node where I'm going to enter a question asking which type of help my user wants. Either it's instant help or they want to contact my support team. So here I will be entering this message, and here I will be creating two buttons by simply selecting this add button. So right here you can see that I have entered this message and created two buttons, that is get instant help and connect support. Now if my user select this button, that is get instant help, I'm going to ask them a question regarding the brief description of the issue. So for that, we have to use this ask question node. So here I have entered this question asking for the brief issue. Now if my user provides me the brief issue, I'm going to assign AI assistant which is going to resolve the issue of my customer. So for that, we have to use this node, that is assign AI assistant. So I have already created an AI assistant for my SaaS customer support, and if you want to do so, then you can just select this AI assistant given on the sidebar and create the AI assistant. And here I'm going to select the AI assistant. So right here you can see that we are getting this AI assistant, that is SaaS AI, which I have selected. And now I want my AI to start with the client message. So here I will be selecting this, that is use client message. So my AI assistant is going to use the brief issue and resolve the queries of my customer. And now let's move on towards the second button, that is connect support. So for that, I'm going to provide the contact details in this text button node. So here you can see that I have entered this message consisting the contact details. So this was the flow we have created for our SaaS customer support. And now this is going to resolve the queries of your customers and help them to resolve their issues within the WhatsApp. And they can even connect to your team as well. So now you have seen how easily we can create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot, which is going to be very beneficial for your business, as now you don't have to manually resolve the queries of your customers again and again, because this WhatsApp chatbot is going to do so, and it is going to save up a lot of your time. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now. And I have provided the link of the flow which I have just created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video.
And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.